Make this quick video here with Carl's Garage. It's been a very long time since I've made a video. I wanted to make this one specifically here because you guys aren't really aware of my brand new website. A lot of you guys are aware of this website, my traditional Carl's Garage, where you can come and you can get, the original handbook, the script book, and even the Kia Hyundai profit book, or you can fill in right here and you get the free book. In fact, I have a free script book in here, and I have a free Kia Hyundai flip book. So just fill out your information here and then send it over to me. And if you don't get it right away, then just shoot me an email. Say, hey, Carl, I didn't get my free link, and I'll send you all the free books as well. Just if you don't know about the KSDS or the Kia Hyundai engine issues, just fill this out, and then I'll send you a free book. But I'm here to talk about my new Hyundai Kia recall agent right here. And again, this right here is this website. So you can either once you buy it here, you will then be able to come here, log in, and use all of the services that this provides. And I wrote this 100% myself. So it's a full-blown website by me. I don't want people to think, oh, is this really Carl's Garage? Yes, it's 100% Carl's Garage. You're going to come here and you can get 24/7 AI assistance. That is very true, because once you purchase it, you'll have access. You'll see a bunch of these things right here open up here. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so as you guys see, this is actually my dashboard. But for the people who purchase and are able to log in, yours is going to look like this. So everybody else who's watching this video, whenever you click the link to come and buy it, this is going to be the homepage that you're going to get. Again, it's going to show everything here. Please read through this. How it works: you purchase it, you receive the login details, you're able to start using right away. And then here's some more information. Again, it's just $59.99, a one-time price, and you're going to get all of this. You're going to get unlimited AI response generator, KSDS eligibility checker, 24/7 AI chat assistant, file and image upload support, dealer ratings and reviews, sample response library, interactive engine guides, success stories, database, lifetime updates, and you will also get both the script book and the handbook as well. So you really can't go wrong. So once you buy it, you're going to log in. It's going to log you in, and you're going to have access to everything here. So you can first start with the generator of response. So in this situation right here, this is where you're going to put in all your information about your vehicle. And depending on what you put in, it's going to generate a specific response for your situation to send into Kia or to a dealership. So let's just use an example. Let's say I have a Kia. Let's say I have a 2015. I already got Optima selected. I don't need a VIN number. You can enter the current mileage if you want to. And then right here, reason for denial. So details about your warranty denial. I didn't have the KSDS. Boom. You can enter today's date, because say you were denied today, December 5th. Engine issues, engine noise. Dealership, you can enter the dealership, you can enter the city, you can enter your name if possible. And then I will receive all this information on the back end so that I can help you even further. But again, I wrote this AI agent to help you 100% regardless of me, because what happens is I'm super busy and people have questions and then they aren't able to get a hold of me, and it delays the process. So this right here is going to make the process extremely easy. So say you have maintenance records, but the KSDS has not been installed. So I wouldn't click this. Say you have an email denial letter or a document from somebody else saying, well, we looked at your case and we denied you. You can upload that here. If you have other documents, you can upload that here. And then if you don't, you just go ahead and hit generate response. It's going to take a while, because it's going to write 3 different response options. That's the beautiful thing. And again, this isn't even the actual live chat. This is just to generate a response to those to the people that you are talking to. So if you're talking to a dealership and through email and they sent you, a denial letter, or they sent you anything, you can then type it, put it in here, and then it's going to generate a response for you. So here's a formal letter that you would write to whoever you wanted to, write dealer name or whatever. Formal demand for warranty coverage, reconsideration for 2015 Kia Optima engine, and then here it is, boom. It's gonna give you everything that you need to say specifically to them. And then you can say, how do we do? You can rate it and send me feedback of how well it did. And then also, that's just a formal letter. You can also do an email, right? You're going to give you all the information pertaining to the case of that vehicle and everything. Super specific. This software does not exist anywhere else, and it never will exist anywhere else because nobody's going to take the time like me or is as passionate about this whole project when it comes to helping people get their engines replaced with Kias and Hyundais. And then also you have talking points. So if you're on the phone, right, and you're about to talk to somebody, you can say these things, right? Whenever you're talking, identify yourself in the vehicle, state the denial reason, state the purpose of the call. Phase 2, citing the statement, right? These are all the reference. These are all the talking points that you can do if you're on the phone or if you want to send an email. These are all that. This is just the first link to help you getting your engine replaced. Everything that I would do basically is now my Kia Hyundai recall agent is able to do for you. So it's such a beautiful software. And if we go over here to the KSDS checker, you can come in here. I think I've actually already checked these invalid VIN format. Which one? Let's see. Oh, there we go. So it actually saves all the VIN numbers that I've checked up already. So this one I've checked. I've done a couple of videos so far. This is a VIN number that's in the system. It's a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. Your vehicle requires the KSDS. This can tell if your vehicle has the KSDS or not. So even if you haven't bought the vehicle, say you're about to buy a vehicle, you can type in the VIN here if you have the software, hit check, and it's going to tell you if it has it or not. If it doesn't, then you can use that to negotiate the price of the vehicle because you can tell them, look, this vehicle doesn't even have the KSDS. So you're telling me you're trying to sell me a dealer warranty or whatever, but I'm buying this from a Ford dealership. You can't warranty it anyway. So, or even a used, mom and pop dealership. You can use this because it's going to tell you, and then it's going to give you all this information right here pertaining to your vehicle. Like this agent that I wrote is so precise when it comes to helping people get their engines replaced. Way more than what I can do. It's able to do everything that I can do and more faster because it's just right there at your fingertips. And then sample responses right here. If you were denied due to missing KSDS, here's a sample response right here. Here's an email. Here's more talking points. And then you can scroll down here, denial due to maintenance records. A lot of people go through that. Denial due to high mileage, over 150. Denial due to aftermarket parts. Like everything, these are just different scenarios that the sample responses will whip up for you. And again, if you are somebody out there looking to start your own business, and you are looking to help people using my software, you can definitely do that. You can charge whatever you want and just use my software on the back end and they'll never know. Just use my software to help other people in your area. Or if you are a dealership and you want to purchase this software to help people to up the quality and the transparency of your dealership, if you're a Hyundai or Kia dealership, this will work for you. So then we also have the interactive guide. This right here is, obviously you can get the book too, but this guide right here is going to show you all the vehicles, all the makes and models with the engines and everything pertaining to the settlements. And then you go in here, Hyundai, let's go, Santa Fe, all sizes. So boom, these are the engines. And then the root cause, manufacturing debris, source of replacement engine, purchaser's due diligence, all this information here, right here for you. Warranty check, checklist, everything that you need. So then from here, you're going to go home. You also have the engine eligibility checker. Now, this is going to take you directly back to my website, Carl's Garage, where you can come in here and check if your engine or if your car qualifies. Again, I've done this before. Let's see what pops up before. Go down here because I think I've done this pretty few times. Let's see if I generate my report. Okay, I need to enter my zip code. Okay, boom. Okay, so right here, yes, recall the Theta 2 recall detected. In order to check your title, because a lot of people don't know if they have a clean title or not, this is going to check it. You put in your VIN number, this is going to, look, I think I can go do it right here. If I go to KSDS checker, let me get one of these VIN numbers. That's an invalid, let me check it. I'll prove to you guys right now. So I'll copy this. I'll go over here, I'll put in this VIN number. Now it might not work because it's a different car, but let's see what happens. Yep, clean title. So now the car might not match, but again, this is all pulled from like real data. This isn't fake data, this is real data. And again, just by putting in my VIN number here, I'm able to use AI and tell you whether or not you have a clean title. And a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people don't know you cannot get your engine replaced unless you have a clean title. Like that's the first thing, the first step. Usually that KSDS, and then the second step, if you don't have a clean title, you have a salvage title, rebuilt title, you're automatically disqualified. So here we go, found 7 Theta 2 engine related issues related to this car. So again, these are all the things that you're gonna have access to And then we got dealer ratings here. I don't have any dealers yet. I want you guys to put in whatever dealer that you're talking to and then rate them. This way, as a group of people, we can all see who are good dealers, who are bad dealers. And then we also got success stories. Please put in your success story. I have a bunch that I actually need to put in here so that you guys can see, because people email me their success story. I'm just not able to actually put it in here. I just don't have the time, but I will make time to do that. And then this right here, this is my biggest pride and joy. This is as you guys can see, I have some other stuff over here. This is my chat. So I can come in here and I can say, hey, can you help me get my engine replaced on my Honda? So right here, gonna load it up. Boom. So it's going to tell you all this information. Absolutely, I can certainly help you. It's going to ask you what year, 2013, 2016. Let's say, okay, it's a 20. It wants to know 2013. It wants to know year. It wants to know year and engine. I'll say 2013 2.0. 2013 2.0. And again, I recommend that you guys use this on a computer, not on your phone. It is definitely optimized for the phone, but for the best experience, use it on a computer. And then you just keep typing in your information here, and it's going to give you everything that you need. It's specifically tailored to everything. I'm talking about this thing knows about the settlement, everything pertaining to Kia and Hyundai, it knows. So if you come in here, you ask it, hey, what was the score on tonight's NBA game? It's only tied to Kia Hyundai stuff, right? So here we go right here. I apologize, but I'm an AI assistant specifically programmed to help customers with Kia and Hyundai engine warranty claims. So it's not going to wander off about other stuff. It's just going to continue to talk about and answer all your questions pertaining to Kia Hyundai engines. So that's it, guys. Please head on over to Kia Hyundai recallagent.com. I'll put the link in the description, or you can head on over here to Carl's Garage right here and go purchase it. So again, you come to carls-garage.com, scroll down, click this right here, purchase it. You're going to get all your login information. Log in. I'll see you on the admin. If there's any issues, just email me and we'll get you all locked and loaded. So it's going to be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.